Mr. Ing's class, we will greatly succeed. Intelligence we will breed and never ever cheat. And don't forget to show your work, because when you get that 4.0, you'll have a huge smirk.
Hey, Integrated Math 3 students, whatever you do it well. Do it so well that when people see you do it, they will want to come back and see you do it again, and they will want to bring others and show them how well you do what you do. This guy says Walt Disney. Oh, the creator of Disney and Disneyland. Good motivation for us. And it's time for our game plans. Week number 33, April 19th to April 23rd. We are starting in Schoology it's called Module 6, but in the textbook it's called Module 5, Relating Data and Decisions. We'll be focusing on interpreting data and normal distributions, and our first lesson this week will be on normal distributions. Guys, here's a big shift in the math. A cousin of math, or the calculus or algebra, is statistics. So this is going to be way different. Hopefully, if all that factoring and all of the things that we've been doing, radicals, I was like, this is a little bit different, so a little bit refreshing. Students will be able to recognize and interpret properties of a normal curve and a normal distribution on their skills practice packet. We are going to be using histograms, the mean, and standard deviation. Some things on our agenda: game plans, school and room 902 news, week number 33 at a glance. We'll be finishing up our one-on-ones. If you have not finished taking the chapter 3.1 test, it is due today. I will be closing it, and we're starting skills practice 511, which is the last skills practice packet of the year. We're almost there, guys. And to really start us off for our math lesson this week, the paranormal, meaning like not normal, right? Do you believe in ghosts? Well, this little picture here will help you for the rest of Module 6 when we're learning about statistics. Paranormal distributions, okay? Distribution is just a graph. So, look, remember that ghost, or do you believe in ghosts? That's like a big kind of picture idea there. That's normal would just be that curve. All right, for CAS SBAC, last week we focused on 11th graders taking the math portion. During my class, if you feel like you didn't have enough time, you can fill out this Google form here and this link, and basically you're going to tell them where you need more time. English or math, was it the CAT multiple choice or the PT performance task, or that's basically kind of like the free responsive word problem. You can sign up with Mr. Kim, who's going to be a substitute. I don't know, he'll contact you, so I'm not quite sure if it's going to be during your asynchronous afternoon, which I would assume most likely. All right, this week, all 11th and 12th graders will be taking the science portion starting on Tuesday. So again, your goal is this week and the times that you meet with your science teacher or whoever that's going to be, you want to finish it. Okay, I have an update on my baby plan. Once I'm out, you'll know that when I put an announcement in Schoology pinned at the top. It will tell you, hopefully in really big letters, like go to this Google Meets, and you'll click on this, and in that pink box right there will be a video of me going over basically a second semester project or performance task assessment. And basically, it should take you about 3 to 5 days, basically a week, and I'll postpone all of your assignments once I leave, okay? I'll give you an example later. But the goal is that you guys have something to do. This is worth 15% of your grade. As we talk about grades, seniors, last semester we did something where pass the final, pass the class. Well, we're not doing that this semester. So this baby plan project, I don't know what you call it when I'm gone, this is worth 15% of your grade. So let's just add some things up. If you get a perfect on this, that's 15%. Khan Academy perfect, that's 25%. And you're showing up to class every day with my extra credit, you're at 35%. And all you have to do is get over 40% to get a D- for passing. So work hard, seniors. You got to earn it the last 5 weeks. Okay, Khan Academy is coming up. This is your second to last check at the end of April. You need a total of 4 hours or 240 minutes. Again, you might want to get ahead because I think the next deadline is in the second or third week of school. So you might as well just try to aim for 300 minutes. That's what you need for the whole semester, and that's 10% of your grade. Remember, participation or your attendance, there is extra credit, but if you're non-responsive or in the Zoom video conference less than 30 minutes, you will get deducted. You only get half the point. Remember, if you need any time that you want to connect, I mean, last week I had a student fill out this link and then we walked step by step how to get like the secure browser, right? Guys, check out my clubs. One of them, a lot of seniors are missing this one. Future Rebel Educators, helping those who are thinking about a career in education. That is my goal because that's how I became a teacher. Remember I mentioned that Chapter 3.1 test as of today, April 19th, 12, I think that date's wrong. That's not a Monday, but basically I had this open for almost 2 weeks. So guys, I gotta close it. I can't wait forever for you. So finish it today and then I'll be closing it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And week 33 essential question, how do you recognize and interpret properties of a normal curve and a normal distribution? Okay, you're currently watching the week at a glance number 33 video. And then our skills practice 511 has 3 parts, A, B, and C, and I color coded them red, orange, yellow. So if you just open these up. Do this together. Okay, here it is. And basically for Monday, you should finish the red. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see the instructions a little bit better. Directions. You must write down a 0. The introductory video and the space below. Students who tell me they don't get it most likely did not copy this video, okay? You will be deducted points if you do not have this because it's teaching you how to do the other parts, right? So these are kind of like the notes of the lesson, and I filled out a little bit of stuff, kind of like a note-taking guide, and it tells you, okay, for the questions below, A 1 to 2, which is down here, you only need to do how many of them? 1. Choose only 1 to complete, optional to do more than 1. So if you want to do both of them, go ahead, do them. Remember, for Monday, you should be finishing off the red. And it tells you the directions for that problem set. And you come down here, it says A3 through 6. You only need to do 2. So essentially what you're doing on the 2 pages, you're only choosing basically 3 problems and you're completing a 0. Remember, you can click on here and it'll bring you to the problem. My goal is that you look at the main problem, A0. Where are you, A0, right? And I'm kind of doing a separate problem, and then you feel more confident and you can do it alongside me over here. And then when you feel more confident, maybe you're just trying 2 problems on your own and then you can watch the videos to check your solutions, right? And then on Tuesday, you're doing the orange, same thing. Copy down the intro video. Oops, I should say B, good thing I saw that. Watching the introductory video and then choosing 1 problem from 1 to 2. And then down here from 3 to 6, you're choosing 2 problems. Okay, so I'm now assigning half the amount of problems. And then C, you're gonna do this, again, same thing, copy the intro video down, choose 1 of these problems, C 1 to 2, and then over here it says choose, from 3 to 6, choose 2 more to complete, okay? All right. So that's what you're gonna be doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, I'm gonna release skills practice 5.12a. And this is what you should have turned in. Let me turn this one into yellow. Seniors, you basically had a whole work week. Hopefully you caught up. And I need to grade this one and the SBAC packet. There was extra credit in both of those. Remember, you might want to take advantage of the late work special. Click on here, it'll take you to the Google Slides presentation, and there's a video in there. Basically, if you create a cool 15-second commercial and turn in like 5 packets at the same time, click on there, it'll tell you all the directions and where to turn it in. And I think that's all I have for you guys. Whatever you do it well, even in math class. We'll see you guys. Bye.
Mr. Ing's class, we will greatly succeed. Intelligence we will breed and never ever cheat. And don't forget to show your work. Cause when you get that 4.0, you'll have a huge smirk.